Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub. Today, we're unpacking a massive question for all you AI builders out there. Why do most AI agents literally crash and burn in real-world production? Let's find out.
The truth is surprisingly simple. It's actually not the AI model that fails. It's the harness.
Enter Harness Engineering. This is all about designing the control systems and infrastructure surrounding your model. Here's the golden equation you absolutely need to remember. An AI agent equals model plus harness. The model? That's just the brain. The harness is the control system that actually gets work done. Without it, your agent has zero memory, absolutely no control flow, and completely lacks reliability. Think of it this way, guys. Building an AI agent is exactly like building a Formula One car. The LLM is your engine, prompts are the accelerator, guardrails are brakes, and instructions provide the steering.
Prompt engineering just tunes the speed, but harness engineering? That builds the entire racing vehicle. So what's in this harness? 4 key things: memory, tool access, feedback loops, and strict verification systems.
This drives the autonomous build-verify loop, where we plan, build, verify against rules, and fix errors. This loop runs totally autonomously. It shifts that heavy verification burden away from us human engineers. To fix context rot as memory gets too full, we use context compaction to neatly summarize data. We also throw in loop detection middleware. This stops agents from getting stuck in those endless doom loops. Finally, we enforce strict rules using AGENTS.md, a brilliant open standard for behavior contracts. Let's check a real system flow. Inputs, research, write, review, SEO optimization, and then the final output. Tools like LangGraph act as the orchestrator here, using the harness to perfectly control every single step. The crucial philosophy for this whole explainer is simple. We humans steer, while the agents execute. The model gives us raw intelligence. The harness gives us control. Together, that is production-ready AI. To build real systems, you must focus on harness engineering. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for more. Your engine is fueled up and revving. So what are you going to build with your new harness?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for practical AI.